Hi, this is Stuart Talley here to give an update on the ongoing Stryker Rejuvenate ABG 2 litigation. I'm happy to report that we now have a round 2 settlement. This settlement will resolve more than 1,000 pending cases that are currently pending in Minneapolis and elsewhere in the country. And specifically, the program that's being offered to settle cases is identical to the round 1 settlement. If you've been following the litigation, you know that about 2 years ago there was a settlement for anybody who had a revision surgery as of the date of that settlement. It resulted in payments to most people in the range of $300,000. The round 2 settlement is identical to the round 1 settlement. There are some minor differences, but it's essentially the same settlement. People that had a revision surgery before December 16, 2016 are able to participate in the settlement. They qualify for the settlement, and they qualify also if they can show that their hip was revised due to problems with metal wear debris. So if your hip was revised for something unrelated to metallosis or corrosion of your hip, you wouldn't qualify for the settlement. Most people don't have a problem qualifying for the settlement. There's also provisions in the settlement that allow people to recover additional compensation if they had complications during the revision surgery or after the revision surgery. So if you had an infection or a dislocation after revision, you would receive additional monies for those types of injuries. The settlement requires people to either accept or reject it by March 1st of 2017. So there's some time to consider the settlement. It's important to consult your attorney about the terms of the settlement to make sure it's right for you. What's important to know is that this settlement is a settlement offer. It's an offer being made by Stryker to resolve your case. You do not have to take it if you have a case pending against Stryker. Everyone can make their own decision. What I can tell you is that if you do not accept the settlement, there's significant time delays associated with your case because there will be several hundred other cases that are still pending against Stryker. There's still a lot to do to get cases ready for trial. And as a result, if you decide not to take this settlement, you're likely looking at several additional years of waiting for a resolution. The process for submitting claims into the settlement and participating in the settlement, the infrastructure is in place because of the round 1 settlement. So we expect the process to go very smoothly. We also expect that payments will probably, if everything goes correctly, will probably be coming out in the summer of next year. So if you have one of these hips, you have a case on file, or even if you don't have a case on file and you have any questions about this settlement, feel free to give us a call. You can reach us at the phone number on the screen. You can go to our website, fill out one of our online forms, and a lawyer will call you right back.